Okay, this is the information of our product. I will move to the business plan. So for this one, I want you to pay more attention because I think it's important for everyone. Everyone want to have more money. Everyone want to business and want to be a millionaire, right? So if you want to have more money, you have to pay more attention on this section. So if you want to have a commission from Success More, you have to start to do the 3 steps here. So the first step, you have to register to be a member with Success More. So the registration cost is just only 300 baht. But after you register to be a member of Success More, you will get the insurance about the accidental insurance in case that you dead because of a car accident. You will get paid about 100,000 baht. But not only to have the accidental insurance, you will have a business manual. We have the product catalog, and you will have the access to our application and our website to monitor your business growth. And you will have many people. You will get a free course. So when you want to learn the business with Success More, you will get coached by the people that they have the rich experience in Success More will coach you for free, and you will have the right to buy the product in the member price. You don't need to buy the retail price when you become a member of Success More. This is the first step. But if you want to have a commission with Success More, you have to choose a package to be a member with Success More. So Success More, we have 2 packages. The small package we call the supervisor, and the big package we call the executive. So what is the meaning of each package? I will explain here. For supervisor is the small package. So after you register to be a member with Success More, you will have a member ID, and all item of Success More product will have a point value. So when you buy the Success More product, the point value will be collected in your ID, and it will be accumulated. When your point value are collected until to 750 PV or point value, when calculated to money, it will be about around 4,000 Thai baht. The system of Success More will upgrade your ID to be a supervisor. If you are a supervisor with Success More, which is a small package, you will be able to get a highest commission from Success More about 100,000 baht per month. But I want you to compare with the business outside of Success More. There is right now, with the situation right now, there is no any business that you invest just only 4,000 baht and then you will get paid by 100,000 baht per month, right? But for Success More, with a money just only 400 baht, but you will have the opportunity to get a money back for 1,000 baht per month. I think for 100,000 baht per month is really worse and it's really good business, right? But if you want to have more than 10,000 baht per month, and if you want to get a commission from Success More for all conditions, you have to choose to be the package, the big package that called the executive. So executive, what is the executive? So when your PV or your point value collected in your ID for 750 PV, and then you continue to collect the PV in your ID. When the PV that collected in your ID reach to 3,000 PV, or when calculated to money is about 14,000 baht, the system of Success More will upgrade your ID to be the executive. So when you become the executive, you will have the opportunity to get the commission from Success More for more than 1 million baht per month. So this is a very good one. And for supervisor and executive, you will have a time to collect the PV in your ID for 60 days, count from the first day that you apply to be a member with Success More. But another good thing that when you become a supervisor and executive, you just do it once in your lifetime. You don't need to come back and to choose the business package again. For example, if you decided to be the big package like the executive, you just become the executive only once, and after that you can just only get a money back. No, don't need to come back and to be the executive again. So this is the really good one. So when we compare to the business outside of Success More, we for other business you have to invest again and again. But for Success More, we just become the executive only once, and after that you can get a money back every month from Success More. Okay, so when you choose to be the when you choose a package with Success More, for example, for this month is July, you become the executive. What you have to do in the next month, you have to do number 3. So in number 3, you have to maintain your personal consumption of Success More product for 250 PV, or about 1,200 baht per month. So some people may think that why we have to spend our money every month. But I have to say that, as I mentioned earlier, Success More, the business model, we just change the way that we buy our product. We buy the way that we buy soap, the way that we buy the toothpaste from for use in our life. For Success More, we just spend our money for that product. But instead of buying the product from 7-Eleven or other shop, we buy that product from Success More. It means that Success More allow you to do the business with the money that you have to pay every month. So after you maintain your personal consumption of Success More product for 250 PV, you will get the income for 6 different ways from Success More. Okay, so I will come to the business plan for the the channel number 1 of Success More, which is the retail profit. The retail profit is about 20 to 30%. I think it's very high rate, right? So for the example of retail profit, I will take some example, which is the More Collagen. We have More Collagen. The retail price is about 1,500 baht. But as we are the member of Success More, we can buy More Collagen about just only 960 baht. So when you sell the More Collagen just 1 box, you will get a profit for 540 baht per box. Let's imagine if in that month you can sell More Collagen for 10 boxes, you will get a profit for 5,400 baht. This is a very high rate of profit, right? So this is Success More, we have the system to support. If you want to sell the product by online, we have the online shop. We have a class that will teach you about how to promote your product by online. Yeah, but if you don't like the selling work, you have the good one in selling the product. We also have another way of income from Success More as well. So I will move to the way number 2, which is the first order bonus. So first order bonus is that, let's imagine in our real life, when we find something that very good, you will think about your beloved one, right? For example, when I go out and I eat some food and I really like it, it's very delicious and not so expensive, I will come back to my company and I will tell my colleague in my company that I went to eat some food outside and it's very delicious and very cheap one. I will introduce my friend in my company to eat the food in that shop, right? The same in Success More. When you understand the business model of Success More and you see that it is a very good opportunity for you, you will talk to your friend. For example, here in the picture, you have your friend named Mr. A. So you invite Mr. A to come and listen to the business model. Yeah, Mr. A that you invite by yourself, we will call Mr. A as your generation 1. So when Mr. A he decided to become a big package or the executive one, the Success More will pay you a commission for the first order bonus for 900 baht per person. But Success More don't take any money from your friend. Success More spend you separately. your friend, he decided to be the executive by himself. So you will get paid from Success Mall 900 baht per person. And Mr. A, he has friend named Mr. B. You may know Mr. B, but Mr. B was invited by Mr. A. So in terms of business, Mr. B will become your generation 2 or G2. Mr. B, even you don't invite Mr. B by yourself, but when Mr. B decided to be the executive or the big package of member with Success Mall, Success Mall still pay you the commission of the first order bonus for 300 baht per person. And Success Mall don't take money from B. Success Mall pay you separately. Mr. B decide to be the executive by himself and he do business by himself. Okay, so for the first order bonus is also have some condition. If you were the supervisor or the small packet of member, you will get the first order bonus commission just only from the generation 1. You will not get paid from the generation 2. But if you choose to be the executive, you will get paid for the first order bonus from both generation 1 and generation 2. So let's imagine in the future, if you can invite, if you have G1 for 10 people, but 10 people, they will expand their business. You may have G2 for more than 100 people, right? So the opportunity that you will get the first order bonus from G2 is much more than G1 as well. So in the long term, to be the executive is worse than supervisor. You can invite unlimited. You can have G1 and G2 unlimited. So you can have more money from first order bonus as well. Okay, so this is the first order bonus. So I will move to the third way of income from Success Mall, which is the Star Maker bonus. Before we know about the Star Maker bonus, we come to know the star first. Okay, Success Mall, we are the binary system, just only left side and right side, left hand side and right hand side. Let's imagine you decided to become a member with Success Mall and you become the executive one. And you have your friend named Mr. A. You invite Mr. A and press Mr. A on your left hand side. You invite Mr. B and put Mr. B on your right hand side. You share the business opportunity and business model to Mr. A and Mr. B. And then Mr. A on your left hand side decided to be executive. Mr. B on your right hand side decided to be the executive. You are executive. Mr. A is the executive and Mr. B also executive like you. By this structure, you will become the star. Yeah. When you become the star, you will not get paid for the Star Maker bonus because Star Maker bonus means that you have to go and make the star. You become the star first, and then you help your friend to be the star like you. For the example in this picture here, Mr. A come after you. Let's imagine he will have less information than you, right? So you have to help Mr. A to have A1 and A2 to press on the left and the right hand side of Mr. A. And you help Mr. A to explain the business model to A1 and A2 until A1 and A2 decided to be the executive. So when Mr. A become executive, Mr. A1 become executive, A2 become executive like this. Mr. A will become a star like you. When Mr. A become a star, he will get paid from Success Mall for 1,800 baht. Why? Because Mr. A1 and A2, they are generation 1 of Mr. A, right? So when A1 and A2 become the executive, Success Mall will pay a commission to Mr. A 900 per person. So it means that when Mr. A become a star, he will get paid for 1,800 baht. And Success Mall recognize that you help Mr. A to get a money for 1,800 baht. Success Mall pay you another commission, which is the Star Maker bonus, because you build the star successfully. Success Mall will pay you a bonus for another 1,800 baht for one star. It means that every star that you go and you build the star, one star you will get 1,800 baht. If you want to get more, you come and help Mr. B to become a star like you will get another 1,800 baht. Every star that you make, you will get paid for 1,800 baht. So for this plan, it's very good for everyone because the plan will change your behavior. So outside of Success Mall, everyone we want to survive. We do everything by ourselves to survive. But for Success Mall, in this plan will change your behavior. This plan will force you to go out and help your friend to get a money. If you cannot help your friend to get a commission, you will not get paid from Success Mall. So the more you help your friend to get a money, the more you will get paid back from Success Mall. This is the real teamwork, and this is the very good plan, right? This is the Star Maker bonus that will support you. If you are a new freshman for Success Mall, you come and you don't know how to do. But I want to assure you that the one that come before you, like myself, like Mr. Beer, will help you to get a money. If you don't get a money from Success Mall, Mr. Beer will not get a money as well. This is we help each other to get a money, to get a commission from Success Mall. This is the Star Maker bonus. Okay, so I move to another great opportunity for Success Mall, which is the plan number 4. We call the cycle bonus. Cycle bonus, or some people will call the business development bonus, because for this one, I decided to join Success Mall because of cycle bonus, because it's really I see a great possibility and great opportunity to build up the business with my team. So what is the cycle bonus? Cycle bonus is something like the Success Mall move the structure from first order bonus and Star Maker bonus and pay a money to us again. We just invite our friend, help our friend to be a star, but Success Mall will pay you another way of money that we call a cycle bonus. Let's imagine Success Mall, we are a binary. We have only two teams on our left hand side and our right hand side here. So when the time passed, everyone under your organization, they consume Success Mall product. As I mentioned, all item of Success Mall product will have a price value, a point value. So for example, if someone under your organization, they consume Success Mall product, their point value will come up to you, to your ID. Everyone under you. Success Mall don't have any condition. Even you don't invite some guy in your organization by yourself. Even you don't know them, but they consume Success Mall product. The point value still come to your ID because they are a member of your organization. No matter you invite, you know them or not, but the point value still come to your ID. This is a very good one. Okay, so every month, Success Mall will come and review the PV in your organization. You have, as I mentioned, we have only two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Success Mall will check a PV in each side. If you're in your left hand side, for example, in your left hand side, you have for the whole organization here, you have 1,500 PV. In your right hand side, everyone consumes Success Mall product and you have the point value for 2,250 PV. When on your the side that have the point value less point value, Success Mall will call the weak side, and in the side that have more PV, Success Mall call the strong side. If the weak side have 1,500 PV, the strong side have 2,250 PV, Success Mall will call one cycle. And when your point reach to one cycle, Success Mall will pay you a cycle bonus. How Success Mall pay you a cycle bonus? Success Mall will go back to the beginning and check that which package that you choose. If you choose to be the supervisor or the small package, Success Mall will pay you only 600 baht per cycle. But if you choose to be the executive, Success Mall will pay you 720 baht per cycle. So only one cycle you see that is different for, it differ just only 120 baht, right? But Success Mall pay you maximum for 1,600 circle per month. It means that you will have the opportunity to get paid for 1 million and 152,100,000 baht per month. It's really big money. It's not easy for me. So, but if you choose to be the supervisor, Success Mall will pay you just only 960,000 Thai baht per month only. Is less than the executive. So in the long run, become the executive is more worthwhile than become the supervisor. But to get a money, to get a commission for more than 1 million baht per month, what you have to do? You just maintain your personal consumption just only 250 PV per month only, and then you will have the opportunity to get a commission for more than 1 million baht, like this. So when you see the commission for more than 1 million baht per month, you will say that it's quite impossible, right? But let's imagine for this job, we talk about the long-term job that we can run the business along with other business that you are doing now. So every business in the world, we have to give a time for them, right? The same with Success Mall. Let's imagine when the time passed for the first 3 years, you invite Mr. A. You invite Mr. A and put Mr. A on your left-hand side. When the time passed, Mr. A invites his friend and his family into his organization. So everyone under Mr. A, they are your organization member on your left-hand side. For the first 3 years, Mr. A may invite someone that you don't know, but that one, for example, his name Mr. C. Mr. C was invited by Mr. A. You don't know Mr. C, but Mr. C, he understands the business model and he expand his business, and then he keep on expanding his team member until his PV on the left and the right hand side of Mr. C reached to 2.4 million PV. The 2.4 million PV will come up and come to your ID without any condition. Even you don't know Mr. C, but the PV, the 2.4 million PV from Mr. C ID will come to your ID as well, because Mr. C is the member of your organization on your left-hand side. So this is the first 3 years, 2.4 million PV come to your ID already. And in the next 4 and 5 years, Mr. B that you invite him and put Mr. B on your right-hand side, Mr. B, he invite his friend and family, and everyone invite each other into the organization. All of them under Mr. B will become your member, the member of your organization. For example, when Mr. B, he invites someone that you don't know, his name is Mr. D Dog. So Mr. D Dog understand the business model and keep expanding his business until the PV on his left and right hand side combine for 3.6 million PV. The 3.6 million PV from Mr. D Dog will come to your ID as well, because he is a member of your organization. As I mentioned, Success Mall don't care whether who is Mr. D Dog, but he is invited into your team by someone under your team. So the PV will still come to your ID. And when you maintain the personal consumption for 250 PV per month, on your left hand side, 2.4 come to your left hand side, and the right hand side, 3.6 PV come to 3.6 million PV come to your right hand side. Like this, it will be divided and then calculate to 1,600 circle per month, and then you will have the opportunity to get commission for more than 1 million baht per month already. Okay, So let's imagine everyone want to change their life. Not only you. I know you want to become a new person that have a better life. You want to be a rich man. You want to be a millionaire. But I think most of the people in the world they want to change their life as well, but they don't have opportunity. Let's imagine for success more, the business plan of success more. When you find something that agree with you and want to change their life like you, just only one people, they can expand the business. They can expand the business. When they change their life, your life will be changed as well. This is the high possibility to find someone that want to change their life, because everyone want to change their life, but it's up to you. If you apply to be a member of Success More, and then you not just stay home, you go out and and invite people to come to be a membership in your team, to be a member of your team. I think you will find someone that agree with you and want to change their lives as well. So I think it's very high possibility that you will see Mr. C and in your left hand side, and Mr. D Dog in your left hand side, because everyone want to have a better life. Okay, so this is the opportunity to find someone that wants to change our life, and the opportunity that you will get paid for more than 1 million baht per month. And when you find someone that uh, want to change their life, similar to Mr. C on your left hand side and similar to Mr. D Dog in your right hand side, when you come, they will not stop. I can say that. Why? Because you don't know Mr. C and you don't know Mr. D. Mr. C and Mr. D, they expand their business to get more than 1 million PV in their ID. It means that they will get paid from Success More for 100,000 baht per month already. So you don't know them. You go and tell them to stop doing the business with Success More. Do you think they will stop or not? They will not stop, right? Because everything that they do the business for their family, not for you. So they will keep on running the business. They will keep on expanding the business for their family. So the more they expand the business, the more that they build up the bigger team, the PV from their organization will come to your ID. You can just maintain your personal consumption per month for 250 PV per month only. But the PV will come to your ID from your left and right hand side every month. Every month you will get paid every month. It means that you can stop working already, because the organization in your left and right hand side, they keep expanding automatically. They do it by themselves. You don't need to go and force them to do the business. Everyone do the business. Everyone consume the product. The consumer under your organization, they keep on consuming Success More product. You will get paid every month. Every month. It means that you become the passive income already. This is the another opportunity to be the business owner, to become a passive income with Success More. Okay, and when you success with Success More, as I mentioned, Success More right now we are the public company. We are Success More being public company right now. So it means that when you success with Success More, your success can be transferred to your family member, can be transferred to your beloved one. It can be a heritage to your family member. For example, I put the name of my son in my application form. My son will be the one that I will transfer the success of Success More to him. It means that even I die before him, but the success of Success More will take care of my son until for his lifetime. No need me anymore, right? So I think this can help you to ensure that your beloved one will be safe under the success of Success More. They can just replace your ID. They can just maintain their personal consumption. They don't need to expand the business, because your organization is very strong. Everyone, they keep on expanding the business. So when your beloved one replace your ID, they just maintain their consumption, and every month they will get paid. This is the another good thing for the cycle bonus here from Success More. So for myself, this is the reason why I decided to join Success More, because I see that the opportunity or the possibility to find someone that want to change their life with me, I think it's very high possibility. and also it very high possibility to be a passive income, and also our success can be transferred to our beloved one as well. This is the cycle bonus. Okay, it's worthwhile, right? Okay, then so I move to the number 5, which is the matching bonus or the leadership bonus. So for this one, I think we can get the income from Success More with the unlimited or the infinity bonus, because Success More will pay you for a matching bonus for 50%. How they pay? Okay, so at the beginning, for example, you join Success More and you want to success, and then you invite your friend to become a member of your team. Because you invite your friend that you invite, he is your G1 or generation 1. When you help your generation 1 to have a cycle bonus in the plan number 4, when your friend, your generation 1 get paid for the cycle bonus, Success More will take the number of cycle bonus and calculate for 20% of the cycle bonus that your friend get paid. Success More will pay you for 20%. And for generation 2, even you don't know generation 2, but when your generation 2 get paid for the cycle bonus, Success More still pay you for 20% of the cycle bonus of your generation 2. And for the generation 3, you also don't know generation 3, but Success More still pay you for 10% of the cycle bonus of your generation 3. This is very good thing, but it's not easy to get a cycle bonus. You have to help your generation 1 to build up the organization like this. You have to help your generation 2 to build up the organization like this, and also you have to help your generation 3 to build up the organization to get a cycle bonus. The more you help your friend and your team to get a cycle bonus, you will get paid more and more from Success More. And in the future, you will have generation 1 and generation 2 and generation 3 more than 1 people, right? Every generation you will have, maybe you have generation 1 for 100 people, you will have generation 2 for 1,000 people, you will have a generation 3 for 10,000 people, like this. So you will get paid unlimited from Success More. But the good thing for this plan is that if you cannot help anyone to success, you will not get paid. But if you help your friend, your team to success, you will get paid more and more, and unlimited. This is a very good one, and we can say that this is the win-win business, because when you invite someone to your organization, you have to help them to get money. You have to help them to success with you. We go together, success as the team. This is the plan that encourage you to work as a team. It's really very good one. Okay, this is the matching bonus, and the last one is the one-time bonus. This is when you become a diamond. When you build up your team and you success to reach the diamond position from Success More, you will get paid for 150,000 Thai baht for diamond, and pay more and more until to get the highest position as the Royal Diamond. And the total for the one-time bonus is more than 19 million baht. This is the one-time bonus. And another benefit that you will get from Success More, when you work hard, and Success More will pay you from free travel. We have a plan, a long-term plan, and we have the VIP trip with Success More, both in the Asia Pacific region and also in the Europe or the long range of the travel. Success More support you with the free trip and VIP trip as well. This is the long-term plan. So for this year, because of COVID, the plan is cheap a little bit. So for this year, I think many of our leadership, they are preparing to go to Paris, to France, and right now many people they are ready to go to Singapore in this year as well. Okay, so from the plan for the Success More, we have a system to support you. We have for the system is very simple. We have just only 4 group of the system that will support you. For this one, Success More, we are a company, we have one standard and we have only one system. Even you learn from someone, you will learn the same system. We call the 3, 4, 5, 6 system. So for this one, I will explain more in another session. And because of this, because of the system that Success More support you, we have so many people from different profile, they can success with Success More. So many people they for this lady, she is the coach in our team. She used to be a labor in the past. She used to be the labor, and right now she become a blue diamond. She get commission for more than 1.4 million baht per month already. Just only 7 or 8 years, her life changed a lot compared to us. I work for the company for almost 20 years already, but right now I have no chance to get paid for more than 1 million baht per month. But for her, just only 7 years, she get paid for more than 1 million baht per month already. It's very quick and very fast one. This is the very great business and great opportunity for you. And this is the example of our team member that they take only, I think not over than 3 years. But right now, this lady, she is the business owner, but she do Success More along with her own business. So right now she get paid. She get a commission from Success More for more than 400,000 baht per month already. And right now, I heard that she get in some months she get more than 800,000 baht per month already. And this guy, he used to be he used to be a business owner, small business owner in the fresh market. So because of Success More, right now he is diamond already, and he get a commission from Success More right now more than 400,000 baht per month already. Okay, and this couple, they come from Laos. So in the past they used to be a staff in the factory, but because of COVID-19, they lose their job, but they cannot go back to Laos because of the border cross. Right now, because of Success More, their life have changed already. So at present, they can get commission from Success more than 200,000 baht per month already. This is the picture is from the past in last year, but right now they get paid for more than 200,000 baht per month already. And the same with this one, she used to be a housemaid, but right now her life has changed, and also you see before Success More and right now she look more beautiful than before, and she get more than 100,000 baht per month already from Success More. Okay, so everyone can change their lives, just decide to join Success More. Okay, and then I will have a short introduction about the test kit for Success More. We call a boxes. So a boxes, the retail price is 1,400 baht per box, and the special price is just only 690 baht per box. Inside the box set, we have a collagen, a more collagen. More collagen is the drinking collagen that you have to mix a powder with the fresh water or the cool water, and a collagen will help you to have a brighter skin. You will look younger and you have a clear and smooth skin, and also help to improve your joint and tendon flexibility. This is the property of our more collagen. And you will have a Phyto-V detox in the box set. The Phyto-V detox will help you to avoid the hemorrhoid, the help to detox your within after you drink for 8 hours, you will get detox. Everything that in your intestine will be detox and will be drained out in the next day, and it help you to breathing your blood, and also will help you to clean your digestion tract as well. And we also have a neutrino coffee Arabica. So this one, this is the low calorie instant coffee, and we have a daily refreshment, and we add a collagen as well, and also our coffee is the sugar free, and we have a high pro strawberry. This one the plant protein, and also it have some more vitamin in its ingredient, and you can have more muscle gain, and also you have a greater and faster absorption into your blood system, and it's good for someone that they are vegetarian. They can drink our high pro strawberry. This is the protein. Okay, so and we also have a system that Success Mall prepare to support you. We have the application, which is the Success Mall Connect. So for this one, you can make an order, you can monitor your organization, and you will have the right to access to the member login website. We have a training center, both online and offline. You will have a free coach and support from us, and then you will have a training under the SLA Academy or Success Mall Leadership Academy, and also Success Mall will have a dropship fulfillment to support you. And our business is the borderless business, so it depends on your decision to be a success with Success Mall. Okay, so I think for this time it's very good opportunity for you to decide whether to join Success Mall only or not, because Success Mall is growing. If you not decide to join Success Mall, if today you decide to join Success Mall, in the near future, everyone that come after you will be your member. You will be under your organization. You will be here, and everyone will be that come after you will become your team. But if you decide to join Success Mall later, you will be here, and everyone will come before you. You will become downline for someone, right? So better to make a decision right now, and then in the future you will be the first one in your organization. Okay, so and I have to say that Philippines is the I think is a perfect location for Success Mall right now, because you are the country that speak in English, communication in English. English is the window to the world. I think you know that very well, right? So I have to say that the new branch in Manila will be open within this year. I think not after. I think not later than end of this year. We will have a Manila branch. Right now, Success Mall is under the process of business registration with Philippine government, and I think in the near future we will have a branch and we can ship our product, and then after we have a Philippine branch, you will be able to do the business very easy. You can access everything that Success Mall prepare for you, both online and offline. And right now, I think you are so lucky that you know about Success Mall before everyone in Philippines right now. I think it's a great time for prepare your team. You don't need to wait until Philippine branch to open. Right now, we have to prepare a team. We have to form a team, and you have to learn how to share a business opportunity to your friend. And after we have a Philippine branch, at that time, you will be able to start your business immediately. No need to wait for a long time. So right now, I think it's a good timing for all of us to prepare our team and to prepare our knowledge, prepare our system, and prepare everything for our future team. And when Success Mall have a grand opening in Philippines, everyone, including me, Mr. Beer, and Ronnie, we will be in Philippines together, and we will meet our team there, and then we will help our team and build a team in Manila. This is the good opportunity. And after Philippines, I think you can share a business opportunity to any country in the world, because you can speak English. You can share the business in English. This is the good one. Right now, I think no one in ASEAN country can speak English very well like you. So right now it's good for you to learn English, to learn business model, and I will be ready to support you. Everything that you want to know, I and Mr. Beer will support you and prepare everything for you. And when we have a branch in Philippines, we will do it together. We will build the team together. So this is, and for application right now, it's very easy. We can apply by online. Just prepare a passport or ID card, a copy, or just take a picture, and then we can apply by online. But if you have your team, you can write down your team member in a paper first, and then when we have the Philippine-based website and application, and after that we can apply for your team, and then we can start doing the business right away. When we have a branch in Philippines, it is a good preparation. We still have time. I believe that from now until we have a branch in Philippines, your team will be a lot bigger than today, and we will have more time to learn and study the business model together. Yeah, this is the information about Success More for today. So thank you very much. Do you have any question?